Imagine that there's a place for sustainable ideas where science is united with production. A place that acts responsibly toward the environment and uses smart technologies. A place of the present advocating for the future and where the pace is set by innovative products. An inspirational place where people work hand in hand to develop eco-friendly and resource-efficient technologies. Now imagine that this place is in Berlin. Easy to reach by train, bike or car. A place where many people live, with daycare centers, supermarkets, living space, and architectural landmarks being built. Now envision that your company is headquartered here, connecting you with like-minded individuals. A win-win for both you and your neighbors. Take advantage of the unique facilities and create new values. Your company will grow here. Welcome to CleanTech Marzahn, Berlin's most exciting forward-thinking space.